When we talk about trusting God, it is not as easy as it sounds. But I'm very sure one day you will have a testimony of how you overcame whatever you are currently going through, and it to be the inspiration someone needs for their own testimony. Those who leave everything in God's hands will eventually see God in everything. The scripture says in Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not in your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your path straight." God is still writing your story. Quit trying to steal the pen. Trust the author. So whatever you are trusting God for, be it job, a wife, a husband, financial breakthroughs, approvals, anything, put your trust in God completely. Take time to pray and invite God into every circumstances, because when God enters the scene, miracles happen. So guys, I want to barb my hair. I'm at the salon right now where Christina, say hi. Hello. Mister, say hello. Can you see them? It reminds me the passion I put into pageantry for a very long time. I love this song. You are you. You are you. So guys, I just realized no pepper. I needed to get one. So let's go and get pepper. How much is what? How much is pepper? Inside, if you know what I mean. He's not focusing. Yes, can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah. I'm devoted to you.
You're going to mention those areas you need His mercy to fall upon.
I think that's all. Madam did not bring our goods.
My dear, don't worry, next year or next
She says yes. Okay, what's a TM fit, right?
Yeah, dear.
Please patronize her. Handmade quality slippers and shoes. Please buy from her. She refused to bring it to trade fair. Please still buy. Hi. Thank you for coming. I have paid 11,000. So yeah. So guys, we are still at the trade fair and yeah, patronize my girl Bliss _ Henji. Amazing stuff, right? Yeah. Love you. See this short, guys. No. This is giving. You need to gift yourself or your baby or your boyfriend this one. It's really giving, right? I love this. Plain and simple. Nice. Honestly speaking.
Hope you are not changing the price.
I will reduce price though.
Like you are not changing the price.
I'll do Ramadan sales. Then after that,
I get one extra shirt.
and see this one. This jean shirt.
It's giving. Whoa, it's even 2-piece. I love it.
What's heavy?
It's not easy. Well done.
I can pair it with this beautiful bag. Like everything.
It goes well. You can pair it. During our this thing, I should just come with money to buy our next hangout. Our next hangout.
I won't even get short. I'll get short.
No, one shot really makes this I so much love it. I so much love it.
I should keep it. I can keep it now.
photographer, right? And your handle is what? Sorry, I'm yeah. So find him out. Go check him. All right, say hi.
The pressure is getting worse. Tomi, don't, if you are sure, hold on. Is that your wife? Is that your wife? Wait, is that your wife? Are you 100% sure? Tomi, if that's your wife, stand up. Are you 100% sure? Don't take off the blindfold. You can leave the bridesmaid alone. Hey, your parents are behind you. Leave the bridesmaid. Leave the bridesmaid. Put your hands behind your back, Tomi. If you're 100% sure that the woman you touched is your wife, stretch your lips and kiss the person. If you are 100, put your hands behind your back. Bridesmaid, stretch forward. Stretch your lips and kiss the person. Are you sure? Or you leave the person alone? Don't take it off. Wait. Leave the person alone. Tomi, are you sure you are 100% correct in the action that you have just taken? Tomi, remove your blindfold. What have you done? Remove it to take it. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for this couple. My guy opened the eyes small and said, Jesus Christ, what have I just done? Marriage never reached 6 hours. I don't cheat already. God, I beg you. Please celebrate this handsome couple. Thank you very much, bridesmaids. You can now take your seat.
So guys, I met these amazing people at the venue, at the event, right? Thank you. Say hi. Tell them your name.
My name is Opaloluwa.
Opaloluwa.
My name is Oyoluwa.
Oyoluwa. Wow, Oluwa.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Do the YouTube business.
All those good stuff. They glum. Okay. Malam said I should get taste, right?
Democrat pictures. So that's who I am.
Alright. So like I already said, we are going to be talking about relationship, matter today. So I'm sure you are interested. Okay, that's me.
That thing. Because I just saw it, I don't talk it with. So it's important. And that is also a yardstick a lot of people in business do to make their money. They package themselves very well. Packaging. So as a relationship, for you to even say you want to start a relationship or you want to get that,